Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's a girl Tassie. I'm back with another video. Period. Welcome back to my channel. You know the girl Tassie. So today I'll be doing Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's a girl Tassie. I'm back with another video. Period. So I know you don't miss me and things like that. So I decided that I'm going to do a video today. Yeah. So I'll be translating Jamaican patois song to English or in English. Yeah, I try to find some clean one. You see me, I try to find some clean one. Translating in English. Cause you know, say Jamaica, they sing their song raw, you go really. But anyway, before we get into that, like, share, comment, and subscribe. Hit the notification bell so you'll be first notified when I post a new video. Yeah, as eat that. So, anyways, let's get right into it. So, I go on my phone and I gotta look some clean song. We translate in English, right? And you must have look some clean song. I gotta try look some clean song. So, anyways, when you watch me here natural, of course. And the reason why is like I just plait it because I don't want it to knot up. But I'll be soon doing my hair because I mean I don't want to vlog anyways. Zimmy. Yeah. Anyways, may I look song one clean song we start off. So I'm talking before. May I first do plastic smile. May I first start with plastic smile. Yes, so I am gonna look a clean song. Right. I'm pull the phone. Now I start with plastic smile, isn't it? Alright, so sometimes me feel to cry, but the tears them finish. So sometimes I feel to cry, but my tears them finish. I don't even know if I should be happy or timid. We are timid, always paranoid. I feel my brother's spirit. Stress from a split fold like cricket, I'm still awake. And I still wearing plastic smile. I don't wanna feel plastic smiles, cause nothing don't feel. And me still a wear plastic smile. Although nothing don't feel right, still I hold it out. Me inside, although feel cut up. Still I hold it out, me give thanks for life, but God knows I'm a feel cut up inside and dark man still out. Anyway, I'm not gonna play out too long because I don't want to get copyright. So let's go to our next song. Alright, that's what people just me I see. Hey, you can't say something. Remember, I try to look some clean song, like clean song. Some of them get here, sit yeah, wanna move. Yeah. So first like some of them girls you see dog. So some of them girls you see dog. Some of them get here, sit yeah. Some of them girls you see dog. Yeah, wanna move. Yeah, wanna move. Yeah, wanna move. Yeah, wanna move. From the turning in a cycle. So I say, from I turn you into side girl, a lot of problems in my life, girl. So he's saying that from I turn you into a side girl, a lot of problems in my life, girl. Sorry, some fucks up, girl, my blood clot. I'm about to that party. You see me, guys? Is that a clean? I'm about to that party. Anyways, let's move on to a different song. Why? So I'm ignorant. I'm ignorant for these girls with their filter face and their Photoshop body. Photoshop body and big up the girl never have them things. Dirty foot girl. Move around. So So, dirty foot girl, move around, move around. So, pretty gang don't only look good on the gram, have the body warm, mad them man, or have the body warm, mad their man. Have my own money, we do not stretch hand. Yeah, yeah, period. Let's move on to another song. Why?
She called my phone 10:30.
So she called my phone 10:30. Say she hungry and say she hungry and she wants some Kentucky.
Hungry and want some Kentucky. Me say anything you want, you will get honey. But
I say anything you want, you will get honey. From man who want body, they spend money. Yeah.
man want
So I'm gonna take out, we're gonna turn it down and make it bad word part skip and then move on. Cause that song it's about buzz. Alright.
me pull up on the block.
I pull up on the block.
Gyal a good in.
I pull up on the block. Say in a yeah. I pull up on the block. Say that in your hole.
And you hold. Pull a phone
Hold that phone card and put it on your phone.
card and put it on your phone.
You're bright. You're bright. Or yeah. You're bright. Or you're out of order.
You can't.
So you can touch me for 3 piece. I'm gonna turn my phone down and take out the bad word.
It up for me, gyal a up in a you. Fuck some. Hey, me loving you. Fat likes it a whole lip. Sky pussy, gyal.
Anyways, let me skip that song. Can I song have to water? Anyways, let's move on. You're so dangerous.
Hey, baby, love that
Alright. That's like alright. Even we can play it, but not too much because I don't want any copyright. That is not so all that part where so I'm not gonna really play with it. Um, yeah.
My baby tell me that he doesn't fall in My baby tell me that he's leaving today.
So my baby tell me that he's leaving today and
Same can't take the
he can't take the stress.
My baby told me that he's going nowhere. Same bound for find the bear. I tell him I'm the best. That's all.
Oops, on.
Yeah, so much problem with me so-called friends.
Hey, you look on the friends. So pathway. Yeah, this year.
Pop it on music.
So pop it on music. These girls are really my Bella. Top girl.
I mean, never born in a lace wig.
And I never born in lace wig.
Still shop on DDs, I'm still shop on me.
I still shop at these and still shop at Macy's. Also,
It's not go certain places.
I don't go certain places.
Me a girl, me no frightened for link, and me no frightened for face.
Me a girl, I don't frighten. I am not afraid of link and I am not afraid of whiny.
Me a girl, me no frightened for liquor, me no frightened for face young.
Yeah. I'm a girl. I don't frighten for links, or I am not afraid of links or faces.
Girl, no for careless, girl.
These girls should not be careless.
If I know your size, don't wear it.
If it's not your size, do not wear it.
And if I know your price, don't claim it.
If it's not your price, do not claim it.
You better buy what your money can buy.
You should buy what your money can afford.
Put some in your
Put some in your savings.
savings. Woman, see your confidence.
Women should have confidence. Learn to depend on yourself.
You feel learn to depend for yourself. Do your little 9 to 5.
Do your 9 to 5, darling. Collect your check on Friday morning.
Me darling, collect your check on Friday morning. Somehow no don't use conscience. Rather buy here before you buy bed. Pack up in a man care.
So y'all rather buy wig before you buy bed.
Before you put your kids before you. Big stick in your bed. What a good thing, me no live for.
What a good thing I don't live to impress people. Yeah, and I will never ever live to impress. So last song. Alright, make girls get upset. Them sick of we. It's bad that God is not going to let you get rid of me. It's not everybody get my energy. I love my own company. You too bad mind. Poor you.
Everybody get my energy. They love my own company. Them too bad mind. Poor you not like me.
You don't like me, and I don't even like you.
Yeah, me deep know you full of bad spirit. Like the big.
You full of bad spirit like Duppy grow you.
Grow you. Me a go strive and show you.
I am going to strive and show you.
This success.
It's the success that get them vexed.
Make them vex.
Want to compete like say it's contest. When I do good, that get them vexed. Can't mind them own damn business.
Like say a contest. When me do good, that get them press. Can't mind them own damn business. So them text it. Good me bless. If I know me, I got alone can.
If it's not only me, God alone could stop this.
Stop this. Can't stop watch me.
Girl, stop watch me. You too obsessed. If I get adjust, your life is a mess. Period.
Obsessed. If you get them address, them life is a mess. Yes. Yeah.
What is not yours? No, what is yours? Yeah, what is yours is not mine. See the red in your eye, or see the red in your eye.
Red in your eye,
hate me because I'm strived.
Yeah, try you, I'm a struggle, I'm alive. Never full of lies, but the Bible make me wise. Destiny child.
Anyway, I don't want this video to get too long, so please comment for part 2, and I will do a part 2, because you know Jamaican have a lot of songs and I didn't even pass about through 10 or so. So if you like this video and you want me to do a next part 2, please like, comment and share. Comment down below and tell me if you want part 2. Remember to hit the notification bell so you'll be first notified when I post a new video. Yeah, so let's just cut that. So just go to my Instagram and follow me at It's Tassie. I'll put it right over there. And follow my other Instagram at _miss.miserable. Yes, thanks for watching, guys. And I please ask me if you could share and please subscribe. Please, I know that the views and the subscriber are not adding up, but I'm just asking y'all, please watch the video and subscribe. Please, I'm asking for your support. Thanks for watching and have a nice day. Peace out.